When Oscar Pistorius goes on trial, it'll be by a judge in a courtroom, bound by the principles and precedents of South African law and not easily swayed, as a jury can be, by the inevitable media barrage. Still, during the latest hearing, a warning. The magistrate told Court C on Tuesday that he was concerned about what he called a trial by media. In other words, a situation where, while legal proceedings continued inside this building, outside an almost separate case was being built for public consumption and judgment. And that, he cautioned, could be unlawful. From reports about a bloodied cricket bat found at the scene to more recently pictures apparently of the crime scene leaked to Sky News. And stories of the Blade Runner's apparently racy private life. In many legal systems, you just wouldn't get away with it. Here too, there are limits, though reservations by some broadcasters based more on ethics than any legal implications.
Is it ethical to show those pictures, ethical in terms of the feelings of whoever Steenkamp's family, but also what is the news value of them? Is it ethical to show the public those sort of graphic images? Is there a news value? Is it going to help the public understand more of what happened in this case? And the conclusion that we came to is that no, it wouldn't do.
One of the country's most eminent journalists says the rules against influencing the outcome of ongoing legal proceedings is all but dead here.
There was a constitutional court ruling a few years ago that defined sub judice very narrowly, saying that unless there was a real danger to the court case, journalists were free to do a great deal. And that opened up the situation. So it's really very hard now to break the sub judice rule.
This high-profile case will test this country's principles of justice like no other has in the new era. The need for a fair trial balanced against the freedom to report on it. Henderson, CCTV, Pretoria.